Thousands of white crosses, rows of silence. Beneath each lies a soldier who gave her life for freedom. On June 6, 1944, over 10,000 Allied troops were killed, wounded, or went missing. Civilians too, caught between empires. This was D-Day, the day that changed the war and the world. D-Day didn't end the war, but it turned the tide. We live in freedom because of our sacrifice. May we never forget them. By 1944, Nazi Germany controlled most of Europe. France had fallen, and Britain stood alone on the Western Front. The Allies needed to strike back, to open a new front and liberate the continent. In secret, Allied commanders, led by General Dwight D. Eisenhower, prepared an operation of unprecedented scale, the codename Operation Overlord. Allied forces gathered across the Channel. US, British, and Canadian troops prepared to cross into occupied France. Before the ships arrived, the skies filled with paratroopers, 13,000 of them. Americans of the 101st and 82nd Airborne and British forces of the 6th Airborne Division dropped behind enemy lines to cut off German reinforcements and seize vital roads and bridges. On June 6, 1944, the Allies launched a bold strike into Nazi-occupied Western Europe. From Britain, American, British, and Canadian forces crossed the English Channel and stormed the beaches of Normandy. What began as a foothold grew into a surge. Town by town, the Allies pushed inland, across Normandy, through France, and beyond. At the same time, Soviet forces were advancing from the east. Caught between two powerful fronts, German forces were forced into retreat. The Allies drove them back, through Belgium, the Netherlands, and finally toward the heart of Germany itself. But that is a story for another time. They came by air and by sea, into darkness, into danger, fighting not just for victory, but for freedom. On the beaches of Normandy, history changed forever. The price was immense, the legacy eternal. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more stories from history's turning points.